Today I am discussing about a modern technology balance bowls. As you can see on the computer screen. During the initial visit elementary school, the physical therapist mentioned that some of the students had rather serious issue with balance and that when practicing balance they would often get easily distracted and not to show interest in the balance practice. As a result, so sought to create a low-cost tool that would be a simple to use to store and to set up that would be helpful in practicing balance while also being at least somewhat entertaining for the children to use so that they could get distracted less. We decided that a variation of balancing board that we called balance bowls. We also decided that to improve on the already existing tool, we would make it to so adjustable difficultly so that it work for different children. Step 1, brainstorming and designing. As you can see on the computer screen, we started to come up with how we could incorporate adjustable difficulty. We decided that the best way would have to multiple round section of different sizes to change difficulty in order to ensure that the balance bowls are easy to store. It is important that the different sized bowls could stack. Step 2, prototyping. We decided to design a prototype in Autodesk Inventor in order to determine how it will work functionally. We designed a system where each bowl would have a lid and stack them all together. The lid would be designed to be stood on and the lids would be held on by notice that would allow vertical movements so the lid could be removed but not the side to side movement. This means the lid would be held in place by the person standing on it. However, this solution ended up being ineffective. The primary two reasons were that were unable to make the lid and bowl fit together perfectly with the inventor parts. The second reason is we were unable to find materials that would allow us effectively recreate this at full size. Step 3, search for materials. As you can see on the computer screen, after we arrived at the conclusion that our initial design would not work due to material restraints, we began the search of materials so that would function, and we arrived the conclusion that we could use mixing bowls of various sizes attached into a circular board. We ordered the mixing bowls online and picked up the round board from Home Depot where it was already being sold and did not require a custom order. Step 4, second prototype. For the second prototype, we looked and took our largest mixing bowl, which was the easiest one to use, and attached it to the round board. At this point, we were yet to decide on how we could attach the bowl and board together in a manner that would to be easy to detach and reattach. So for this prototype, we used duct tape. Step 5, testing and feedback. As you can see on the computer screen, we took prototype B and step 6, improvement.